Selamat pagi and a very warm welcome to Penang, Malaysia. It's a great pleasure to welcome all of you to the Closing the Gap Workshop 2026.
ASEAN and the European Union are unanimously considered as the most successful examples of regional integration in the world. We are now at the third workshop to indeed bridge the gap between education, the labor market, and policy making. Education, it's a key component of the strategic partnership between ASEAN and the European Union. We are stronger working together, and that we have to work together to achieve peace and prosperity.
So through this workshop, we share and learn a lot from our peers in ASEAN and also the European Union.
We are gathered at a time of profound transformation, artificial intelligence, sustainability challenges, and shifting labor markets demand education systems that are responsive, forward-looking, adaptive, and grounded in strong values.
So we bring back not only about the knowledge, but also the solution that we can improve our strength.
Because this event is co-organized with the assistance of Scope Higher Education. This is a project which is an investment of 9 million euros from the European Union in ASEAN education. For the ASEAN region, Global Gateway represents an investment of 10 billion euros over the period 2023-2027. We will continue our support to promotion of higher education, including technical and vocational education and training in ASEAN.
In this workshop, I believe that effective partnerships bridging the skills between education and industry.
TVET institution will transfer and serve as a TVET service provider, and working more with the high school, working more with university, and working with professional authority in order to get certificate. Of course, working more and more with individuals for lifelong learning.
So I've been attending this workshop for 3 years consecutively, and I already see a significant improvement year after year.
Agility alone is not enough. It also requires strong partnerships between education providers, industries, and governments. Penang matters as it exemplifies why partnerships are vital. It is home to advanced manufacturing, electronics, global industry players, and a dynamic education ecosystem. Be practical, be honest, and be ambitious. Envision stronger regional ecosystems for skills and talent.
I think it also well organized with a very early fruitful result. All sections run on time with a very productive and updated information and discussion.